Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I had some of these rosettes left over that I decorated with the Dollar Tree stickers after boxing them up as embellishments. So I thought I'd make some fun little ones. And all I did was, this is a Spellbinders die. I think it's lacy scallop circles. So I just cut out from 110 pound and then from decorative paper and added, these are Dollar Tree straws, and I just flattened about, just pinched about this much and hot glued them on up here, and then just hot glued. I used mounting foam so that it could be over the straw, and then hot glued these on too, as well as hot gluing on. This is both Dollar Tree ribbon or organza and Dollar Tree sequins. So here's these. I love this paper. So I just used a few different paper pads. I think one was Chenille and one is Maggie Holmes. But you've already seen these, just not with these. I think that's, anyways, I don't know. I'm not going to try to guess. So there they all are. So that's another way to sell these or to use these. Of course, I'm always thinking of craft sale stuff. So I love that one. So give it a try and let me know if you do. Send me a photo and I will share it on a upcoming video. And my email is down below. You can just mail it to that. So thanks for watching. Bye.